All right, so we're gonna continue with the learning about sea animals. This is the stingray. And the stingray is closely related to sharks. It has a long tail that, depending on the species, has a spine and venom. It eats clams, mussels, and shrimp. This is a penguin. A penguin is a bird that cannot fly but has flippers for swimming. It eats fish, huddles with others to stay warm in Antarctica. This is a polar bear. It eats seals, lives in the Arctic, and spends most of its time on sea ice. This is a giant clam. It has a shell that is more than 4 feet wide, can live for more than 100 years, and it lives in coral reefs. This is a jellyfish. It is not a fish. It has no brain or heart. It moves by squirting water out of its mouth. This is a manatee right here. It lives along coastlines. Its closest relative is the elephant. It is a herbivore. This is a walrus. It is related to the seal. It lives in the Arctic region. It has 6 inches of blubber under its skin to keep warm. This is a dolphin. It is a mammal. It eats with its mouth and breathes through a blowhole. It is a social animal that can live in pods of up to 100. This is a narwhal. A narwhal has a tusk that is actually its front left tooth. It is a kind of whale. It lives in the Arctic. This is a seahorse. It uses its snout to suck up little sea creatures. It is hatched in the brood pouch of the male, where the female has deposited her egg. It swims upright. This is a squid. Some species glow in the dark. It has large eyes. It has 8 arms and 2 tentacles. This is a horseshoe crab. It eats mostly clams, crustaceans, and worms. More closely related to spiders than to true crabs. It has blue blood. This is a swordfish. It is one of the fastest fish. It mostly eats other fish. It loses all its teeth as an adult. This is the great white shark. It is a carnivore. It can have 3,000 teeth arranged in 5 rows at any one time. It can live up to 70 years old. This is a harbor seal. It lives along coastlines, can swim a few hours after it is born. It is a mammal.